So hi everyone, read this question carefully. First of all, read the question. Lambda and k are the de-Broglie wavelength and kinetic energy, respectively, of a particle with constant mass. The correct graphical representation for the particle will be. So they are asking 1 upon k versus lambda graph. So what is k actually? K is kinetic energy. We know that lambda is h by mv. Okay, and mv is under root 2m k. That is k. If we do a squaring, lambda square will be h square by 2mk. Understood? This we can take constant. So this will be, since lambda is on x-axis, I can take x square is equal to, this is on y, so I am taking y. So x square is equal to, this is just like this, 4ay. Okay. So if a is greater than 0, it will be like this parabola, x square is equal to 4ay. A is less than 0, this will be like this. Okay. Vertically downward and vertically upward parabola. Okay. Now see, why am I not taking this left portion like in this graph? Because in our case, this A is positive, this C is positive. So our case, the graph of 1 upon K, actually, what will be? This will be like this only. Okay. Why am I not taking this left side portion? Because this lambda is the distance. Wavelength is a distance, not a, it cannot be negative. Okay, first of all, it is a distance. Distance cannot be negative. It can be zero. It can be positive. It's a magnitude. It's a distance between two crust, two drug of a particle which is in the same phase. Okay, that's why option B is correct. Thank you so much.